What is initiation? The space of positivity is awakened by integrity. When you practice authenticity, the space, everything is possible. The possibility is awakened. When you take up responsibility, the space of leadership is awakened. When you decide to enrich you and others, the space of enlightenment is awakened. Now, listen. Please listen. Later on you can write. Drop your paper, pen, everything. Listen. In these first three, integrity, authenticity, responsibility, only you can do anything. I have no place in that. I can support you by inspiring you or giving my biomemory as initiation, transmitting and all that. But in the fourth thing, the space of enlightenment, I can transmit. Because in that space, you and me are not too different. The truth itself is enriching yourself and others. So the tattva itself involves both. How many of you are getting it? Tattva itself is involving both. The space is transmittable. Understand? Only when I give you the glimpse of enlightenment, as a guru, I am complete. Listen. Now, I already started my relationship with you the moment you entered for the inner awakening. The moment actually you gave intention for inner awakening, relationship started. The moment you entered the inner awakening, the moment I allowed you into the classroom and came here to start, dear ones, done. Now, your completion only can make me complete. Getting it? You have to be complete. Only then I am a complete guru. Unless the disciple is complete. Now already one end is me and one end is you. If the other end is not complete, I cannot be complete. I can be complete only if I can transmit that space of enlightenment to you. One important thing, when I transmit the space of enlightenment to you, that starts drilling you to live all the four tattvas. It is like putting the fire in the right place where everything starts burning. All your old patterns, all your old ideas, all your old things, everything starts burning. Even I feel this little lack of health also, I only feel body is getting more pure. Body is getting into the next level. See, enlightenment brings certain, body becomes fragile. But being just fragile is not going to be completely authentic. That can be only a phase I have to cross. Enlightenment brings two things. Tremendous energy from the super consciousness, but the physical matter becomes very fragile. How many of you are catching what I am saying? The matter through which it has to express becomes very fragile. But even that is not complete authenticity. This also have to be very strong, and the flow of the energy also has to be in peak. So when that process is happening, only like this little settling period it takes. That's all, nothing else. So even this is nothing but upgrading myself. So the initiation initiates you into the process of constant upgrading. Listen. Now you are initiated into the process of constant upgrading. How many of you are catching what I am saying? So let me repeat. With the practice of integrity, the result is space of positivity. With the peak practice of authenticity, the result is space of possibility. You just know anything is possible. How many of you enriched yesterday people for inner awakening? Now you know anything is possible. Only after breaking, not before that. The space of possibility. In earlier inner awakenings, I used to make people walk on fire. After that, the problem is no legal implications. See, a lot of people from all over the world come. In India, we don't have a problem. In India, if I make somebody walk on fire, they can't file a lawsuit on me. I'm a religious leader. It's a religious practice. Walk. No case here. You can't file a lawsuit on me. But people from some other country, they can't file lawsuit here. They can go and file lawsuit in their country. Sometimes people start harassing those local organizations. So I have to stop. But I tell you, that was such a powerful way of making your biomemory realize the space of possibility. That is why later on what I started doing, I end the program. Next day, it is open for public, anybody can do. I'll organize this time also. After the 21-day program, 22nd or 23rd day, so it's not part of the program. It is open, we do it in India. If you want, walk with us. I tell you, when you see, naturally before walking, you will not have confidence. You will have so many wrong ideas about fire. Actually, the space of your body and the fire going to touch is not more than this space. But the moment you get the word fire, what do you visualize? It is burning here, it is burning here, it is burning here, it is burning here. My hair is on fire. Everything is on fire. You understand? But actual touch, contact, how much space? Only that feet. First of all, many of your illusions will go. The illusory way of thinking. Second, I have seen people, you always have a very low idea about your body. When you do something which you always feel you can't do, I usually make people walk around Arunachala Hill. Every inner awakening, end of inner awakening, we send them. And we ask them to walk around the hill. That is also another one big problem. People halfway, they lie down and tell, oh, I am not going anymore. And exactly halfway is our ashram. After they come to our ashram, they say, no, I am not going anywhere. But somehow, if you even do one or two things which you think you can never do, the pattern of restricting your bioenergy is broken. So much the space of possibility comes to your biomemory. How many of you are ready to walk this time in fire? Wow. Let's organize, ma. Let's organize. In US they are doing, one guy very popularly does, what is his name? One guy does in US. Any of you have done his program? He charges $10,000 to walk. $10,000 he charges to make you walk on. Any of you have done this course? $10,000 just 2-day program, firewalking, that's all. No, but I tell you, it's worthy. It's worth because you experience the space of possibility. Ma, add next time in the Inner Awakening, 10,000 worth program free. See, when you practice authenticity, the space of possibility becomes reality. And when you live responsibility to its peak, the leadership quality starts expressing through you. Ishwaratva, leadership. When you live the peak of enriching, enlightenment itself starts expressing through you. Again, I wanted to remind you, in these 4, positivity, possibility, leadership and space of positivity, space of possibility, space of leadership. All these 3 I can teach you, and after you wanted to learn, you decide to learn, I can transmit biomemory. That's all. But with this enlightenment, space of enlightenment, I can transmit consciousness itself without reducing the quality. For example, if I transmit the biomemory of my space of positivity, you may catch it 80%. It will not be complete 100%. The space of possibility, when I transmit, again you may catch it 70%, not 100%. Because your biomemory is catching it. The space of leadership, when I transmit through initiation, even if you decide to receive it, you may catch it 60%, not more than that. But the space of enlightenment, without even your cooperation, I can transmit 100%. That is initiation. I don't need your cooperation. I only need your yes. Yes, I want to be initiated. That's all. I don't, because the space where the transmission happens is not even in your control. You don't possess that space. See, the space where positivity happens, you have control. Possibility happens, you have control. Leadership happens, you have control. You possess those places, spaces. But space where enlightenment happens, you have no control. It's in my control. Getting it? That is why I am saying, I can transmit 100% the initiation, the experience. Of course, after that you need to encourage it and mother it and own it for it to become your part and your system and radiating it. This transmission is what is initiation. During the initiation, I only need one thing from you. You try as much as you can not to connect the thoughts happening in you. With integrity and authenticity, decide to sit unclutched. Beyond you, if your mind is lost or forgetting, somewhere it goes away, that and all is okay. Beyond your capacity, what happens is okay. Getting it? But with your integrity and authenticity, you will decide to sit unclutched. I need all of you to sit 21 minutes. But you can't afford to sleep. That's the main thing. I just want you to sit with me for 21 minutes in what I am calling unclutched space. But you can't afford to sleep even if you sleep for 1 minute or 2 minutes, the initiation process will be disturbed. You will not be initiated. Of course, others will be initiated. Let me tell you exactly what happens. Have you seen that Matrix movie? How they have tube for every human being. That is putting the human beings in unconsciousness. Here I am putting you into superconsciousness. Literally like each one of your Anandagandha. Anandagandha means below the heart, above the navel, this area. Each one of your, that area will be connected with a spiritual umbilical cord from me. It's almost like I fix that umbilical cord and it starts drilling you. Drilling you, drilling you, drilling you. Getting many of your patterns out which comes on the way. Finally, it will touch your inner space which is automatically connected with my inner space. Understand? At one level, all of us are same. Making you experience that. How many of you are catching it? So we will do it. How do we? You have to sit in the floor with a cross-legged, or you can sit in the chair without supporting your back. Because if you support your neck, you will fall asleep. That is why. Any asana is okay. Only thing, you should not support the neck. Neck should not be supported. Okay? Sit in cross-legged way, or you can sit in the chair, but you will not allow the support the neck or hang the neck. Allow the neck to bend. Clear? In this area, below the heart, above the navel, in this area, you may feel little heavy or feeling like as if getting drilled. Don't worry about it. It will be very mild. It won't be like a pain. It's like a layer by layer. Literally, you are being drilled. Listen, only one instruction. Whenever thoughts come, don't connect them and make meaning. Be a witness. Decide not to encourage them, support them. With integrity and authenticity, sit unclutched. Clear? Please close your eyes, tie the ribbon. In authenticity, responsibility and enriching, let you all experience the ultimate space of enlightenment in which I myself residing. Let the transmission of enlightenment happen inside your Anandagandha. Let the consciousness start flourishing inside your Anandagandha. Let your Kundalini Sakti, Kundalini energy be fully alive, awakened inside your Anandagandha, inside your whole body. Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya.